What up, YouTubers? It's Matthew Vic, and I got the JoJo Lena. And today's video is going to be step-by-step things you need to do to start a business. And this is the first video that we're putting out, and we will drop one once a week. What you guys say about that, JoJo?
Yeah, once a week. And this is good information on just the very, very basics of how to start a business, even if it's not a junk removal business, any type of business. This is what we did to start ours.
So yeah, first off, you guys need to know what you guys want to do. Like at first, I didn't know if I wanted to start a junk removal business or a moving business. So it doesn't matter if you want to be a handyman, a painter. You got to just figure out what you guys want to do, because you're probably sitting at your job that you hate. It's a 9-to-5 job, and you're on your break maybe right now, and you're just sick and tired of the boss, and you want to be your own boss and be an entrepreneur. Well, this video will help you guys out, and it's going to be different in every state. This goes out for everyone that's going to start their business in California and other states. Some stuff's going to be different in Texas. It's easier, but this is step-by-step in California, guys. So yeah, first off, you need to figure out what you want to do, and that's what we did. I figured out I wanted to do a junk removal business, and we specialized at doing that. So we didn't want to do too many things. I thought about doing moving and junk removal, but I'm glad we didn't do moving, because it's a pain in the butt, guys. So that's step one. Figure out what you guys want to do. Step two.
Step two. Think of a name. Think of a good name. Just be creative, but have your name be simple. Something that's simple and easy to remember. So just come up with lots of ideas, write them down, and I don't know, ask friends, family, and see which ones they really like, which ones click. A lot of times I think when you found just the right one, you'll know it, because you'll just like the way it sounds and it'll make you feel good. Then what you need to do is go get a fictitious statement that they'll run in the newspaper. So what you do is you go to your local newspaper, and they'll give you a paper, and you'll fill it out, and they will run it in their newspaper for a couple of weeks. And it's for kind of just making sure nobody else has that name, nobody else cares that you're using that name. So you want to do that first to make sure it's a name that you're going to be able to use.
And also the business license.
Oh yeah, you definitely need a business license. You go to your do you go
to
the city hall?
City hall, they give you a phone number, you contact the people up, and it takes about 20 minutes. And that's how we did it, guys. And then once you guys know what you guys are going to do, it's time to make a logo. You can pay for someone to do a logo, or you can do it yourself. Well, I'm cheap and she's cheap, so we're chancy. So we're cheap and we're fancy. So we did it all ourselves, guys. You don't need to pay no one, but if you want to, you can. So I did it all on an app off my phone. That's how I made the logo. And I kept making different logos. So that's what you want to do. Just figure out your name you're going to be and start making logos. Start designing them. I did them all on my break at my old job. I was sitting there in the break room, and I was messing with them for about a month. I made about 30 of them, and then I finally got the one that everyone liked. And here's the logo I made, guys. I mean, it's simple, easy. It's just basic. It has a vineyard in the back. We're in Sonoma County, so in Sonoma County, it's all about wine country. So that's why I chose that. It's classy, and it fits out here. So make sure you guys do a logo that fits in your area, and it's catchy. So it's basic, easy. The name's really strong. It's Sonoma Strong Hauling. It's a really popular thing out here. Sonoma Strong. We had a lot of fires out here, so that's why I went with that name. So that's what you guys want to do. And also, Vistaprint, guys. You guys want to order business cards from Vistaprint. We started with 500 of them, and it was only like, what, 40 or 50 bucks for 500?
Yeah.
It was super cheap. So just get some business cards, get your logo going, and that's another step you guys want to do before you even say you don't have a truck yet. These are steps you guys want to do ahead of time. So that's another step. So JoJo, what else?
Yeah, just so everybody understands, we did all this before we ever started. We didn't even have a truck yet. So we just got the ball rolling before we even had a truck or even started. The next thing we did was a website, and you definitely need a website. No matter what you decide to focus on and have it be your business, you need a website. We did ours through GoDaddy, and it wasn't difficult. I was going to have somebody else do it, but I started messing with it and realizing, oh, this is not hard at all. You just put pictures up in words and move things around, and I highly suggest you do it yourself, because then you could do your own SEO. You can update it on your own, you can change pictures, you could just do what you want to do when you want to do it if you're doing your own website, and you don't have to pay somebody to do that for you.
Don't you want to show them the website?
Yes.
This is the website right here, guys. Check it out. So here's the website, guys, that we built on GoDaddy. JoJo put this all together pretty fast. It was pretty easy for her to do. Yeah, it looks real professional. It's a bunch of before and after pics. And yeah, we got our YouTube channel on there, our reviews on there from Yelp. And that's what our website looks like, guys. So you do want to put your reviews on there. Whenever you guys get reviews, before and after pictures is a must. And that's how legit it looks, guys. So if you want to go to our website page and check it out, guys.
We also went ahead and did a Yelp page. And you might wonder, why are you doing a Yelp page when you haven't started really your business yet? But we did. We started the Yelp page, and we wanted it to just look like we've been doing this forever when we decided to start. So we did all this stuff before we even started. So do a Yelp page, and you also want to have an email. You want an email,
be legit,
that goes with your business's name. So it's also really, really easy to remember. So our company is Sonoma Strong Hauling. So our website is sonomastronghauling.com, and our email is sonomastronghauling@gmail.com. So I suggest that you make it super easy to remember like that. We also did a Google business.
So yeah, Google Business is a must, guys. You guys want to get good reviews, get as many reviews as you guys can, and you guys will rank higher on Google. And that's how you guys do it. We do everything organic. So if you guys are wanting to make a lot of money and a lot of cash, you guys got to do all these steps. Don't leave nothing out. And this is going to be step one you guys need to do. Even if you don't have a vehicle or a truck yet or a trailer yet, these are all the steps you guys want to do. So we'll have step 2 coming out next week sometime. And that's pretty much all you have to do to start a business and be successful, guys. What you guys say, JoJo?
We did all of these steps we did before we even had a truck, because when we really officially started, I wanted us to look like we've done it for a long time. So I wanted us to just hit the ground running as soon as we started with the truck. So even if you don't have a truck, no excuse. Get all these done.
Yeah, no excuses, guys. If you guys want to be successful, watch all these videos we're going to drop once a week, and I guarantee you will make some cash, and you guys will not make no mistakes. You guys will follow these steps, and you guys will be ahead of the game. So we had to go through a bunch of steps and figure it out ourselves, but we're like to help people out and show you guys how to do it and save you guys some time, and hopefully you guys can make a lot of money. So These are the steps, guys. So please hit that like and subscribe button, and look out for the video next week. We're dropping step number 2.
Yeah, because in step number 2, you'll learn all the other things that we did once we got a truck that got business coming our way.